In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your website link image on Wix. So if you're looking to update that visual that represents your site. When you share links on social media, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and make your website look just the way you want it to when those links are shared. First, you'll need to navigate to your Wix dashboard. Go ahead and open your browser, head over to the Wix website, and log into your account. If you're already logged in, you can simply use the main menu to find your site. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll immediately want to direct your attention to the menu on the left side. Let's move on to the next step. Click on the Settings option from this menu. Doing this will take you into a section where you can control various aspects of your website, providing you an array of customizable options to play with and get things just right. Now, in the Settings area, you're going to utilize the search bar. Think of this search bar as your shortcut key to finding features. Simply type the word social there. By doing this, you're cutting through all the other options and getting right to what you need, making your navigation quick and efficient. Next, you'll see a few options populate below the search bar. You want to click on Website Settings, which will then expand into further options. From these, select Social Share. This is the central place to manage how your website looks when others share it. So now, it's time to focus on the visuals. Locate and click on the Upload Image button. This is where the magic truly happens, as you get to decide which image best represents your brand or message. Once you're in, don't forget that the image you choose should ideally resonate with your audience and fit your brand identity. Following that, another prompt will guide you to Upload Media. Click on it and you'll have the opportunity to either upload a new file from your device or select one from the images you've already uploaded to Wix. Just ensure the image is of high quality and optimized for web use. Once you've located the perfect image, go ahead and select it, then click on Add Icon. This step will ensure your chosen image is set and ready to be the face of your website's shared links. Finally, after you've adjusted everything to your liking, click on Save. This is an important step to finalize all your changes and ensure everything is kept intact. Your new image is now set for whenever your website is shared across social networks. And there you have it. Remember, keeping your website's link image up to date ensures that your online presence remains fresh and aligned with your brand's current look and feel. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit like and subscribe for more handy Wix tutorials.